Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the latest and most innovative smart gadgets that can help make your home more efficient, secure, and comfortable. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your home with the latest gadgets, this video has something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of smart gadgets for home together. Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Agaro Regal 800 watts handheld vacuum cleaner is a compact and powerful vacuum cleaner that is designed to make cleaning easier and more convenient. It comes with a range of features that make it a popular choice for many customers. One of the key features of this vacuum cleaner is its 800-watt motor, which provides powerful suction that can pick up dust, dirt, and debris from carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. Despite its powerful motor, the vacuum cleaner is also lightweight and easy to handle, making it an ideal choice for quick cleanups or for reaching hard-to-reach areas. It comes with a range of attachments, including a crevice tool and a brush, that can be used to clean different surfaces and areas. You can find the Agaro Regal 800 watts handheld vacuum cleaner on Amazon using the link in the description below. The Portable Furniture Lifter. The Portable Furniture Mover Lifter is an essential tool for moving heavy furniture with ease. The package includes a lifter and 4 sliders, which makes it easy to shift furniture without scratching or damaging the floors. It is great for sofas, bookcases, tables, chairs, beds, piano, washer/dryer, refrigerator, etc. The sliders are made of high-quality plastic and can be easily attached to the furniture legs, making it easy to slide them across any surface. This furniture shifting tool is made of durable materials, making it a long-lasting investment for your household needs. It is available in multi-colors and is suitable for both home and office use. You can purchase this on Amazon with the link in the description box. Soda Dispenser. Are you tired of your kids spilling soda all over the place when they try to pour it themselves? Look no further than the Amazon Soda Dispenser. This creative gadget is perfect for kids, prevents drinks from going flat, and is washable and reusable. This easy-to-use dispenser fits easily on a wide variety of beverage bottles, making it perfect for use at home, in the office, while camping, or for entertaining guests. Simply twist it onto a 2-liter bottle and turn it upside down to dispense. Use it at home, the office, camping, and more. Order now for a mess-free drink experience through the link given in the description. Clever Cutter. Introducing our unique slicing, cutting and chopping solution for your kitchen. This amazing product combines a food chopper and a cutting board, making your food preparation tasks easier and more efficient. Crafted with premium import-quality stainless steel, this cutting tool features sharp blades that can effortlessly slice through vegetables, fruits, meats and more. Imagine how many kitchen knives and cutlery this single tool can replace. The tool also comes equipped with a locking safety hinge that helps prevent accidental cuts and keeps your fingers safe. With its compact and portable design, this tool is perfect for use in small kitchens, RVs or camping trips. Upgrade your kitchen game and save time with this innovative slicing, cutting and chopping solution. Order now using the link given in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below.